Eroplano yan, tumunog eh. Tumunog, di ba may dumang eroplano? Eroplano yan, eroplano. Eh, doon lumanding, hindi rin. Landing, take off. Naman lang bumbiro. Kumakalat na oh, kumakalat na.
Ayun o, yung buntot. Ayun o, yung buntot. Ayun isa may dulo ng usok. Ayun o, may buntot.
Nasa highway lang oh. Sa skyway lang oh. Sumabog, sumabog. Eroplano yan, eroplano yan. Eroplano yan. Eroplano yan, eroplano. Ayun pa lang ang bumbero oh. Yun pa nga lang eh. Eroplano yan, eroplano, matik yan, eroplano. Ayun pa oh. Ayun pa oh, ayun oh. Hanggang sa dulo, ayan oh. Ayan, eroplano pa oh.
Alanganin yung landing niya.
Ingat kayo, baka mga zombie dala dyan, baka mga zombie yan. Hulihin tayo dito, tumpukan tayo dito. Oh. Hulihin tayo, may virus!
Yung lakas na yun.
Ay, aeroplano, bumagsak, gago.
Sa airport, nag-crash yung aeroplano.
Airport, tangin na, nag-crash aeroplano.
Oh?
Gago ka magkuha-kuha ng ganyan. Dapat tumanggi siya.
What we know so far, John, is that this Lion Air plane, which was being used for medical evacuations for coronavirus, burst into flames and exploded while it was taking off from Manila's airport bound for Japan. We know there were 8 people on board, and there are reports from Philippines media that a Canadian was among those on board. They are saying that there was a pilot, 2 crew members, a doctor, a nurse, a flight medic, as well as 2 passengers, an American and a Canadian. Now, we have not independently verified that ourselves. We have reached out to Global Affairs Canada to try and get that confirmation for you. In the meantime, the Manila International Airport Authority has said that no one on board that plane, those 8 on board, did not survive this fire, John. It's not clear at this point whether those passengers were being treated for COVID, though we know that this plane and others are being used by the Filipino government to medevac people, being used as air ambulances to get them to other places where they can receive treatment. Those are some of the details that we are getting through at this point in time. Now, it's not clear what led to the plane bursting into flames and apparently exploding, according to a senator in the Philippines who has been tweeting details and photos about what has unfolded there. We understand that officials in the Philippines are planning to hold a press conference about now with more details, but what we do know at this point in time is that the plane was about to take off, was at the end of the runway when it burst into flames, and that there are no survivors. So we will try and get confirmation for you of whether indeed there was that Canadian on board, as Filipino media is reporting, and we'll bring that to you as soon as we can.